Hi, good afternoon. I'm James Brown with ProSource of Pinellas, and today we are going to discuss our brand new product line called COREtec Wood. COREtec being one of the leading manufacturers of vinyl plank, they do a great job and phenomenal job with their waterproof product. What they have introduced now is a brand new hardwood that is completely waterproof. They actually use a 2mm veneer across the front that is completely encapsulated so that it does not get affected by moisture or water at all. The other great thing that it has is a mineral core that allows this a lot of durability and stability. So when it's doing an installation with this product, it gives you a very solid core, very durable, very dense, something that's built to last a very long time. And it also does have a cork backer on the back that gives you some comfort underfoot and also a lot of noise reduction. In case you're in a condo or in an area where you need some noise to be mitigated, this helps with that option. They have a lot of cool colors, a lot of new designs, and are coming out as the trends continue. They will be creating new colors in for everyone's different choices and colors and options. If you look through, the great benefit that you're going to gain with hardwood is that you get no repeat patterns. Every piece is different, so there's never a repeater within your project. Thank you for enjoying this video, and I hope we look forward to coming in and having you discuss this option with us. Feel free to give us a call at 727-545-9935 to schedule an appointment to look at this great product line.